Danke bafethu. So sibonile ukuthi uCardoso uyozolida lapha eMamelodi Sundowns ku-FIFA Club World Cup. Obviously bekunama speculations ukuthi uCardoso uzohamba or uzohlala after disappointing results lapha ukuthi bashawe team enganayo experience kakhulu lapha ukudlala ku-CAF Champions League Pyramids yabo. Mamelodi Sundowns they were expected ukuthi bayidominate igame. Nanokuthi ke noma bangayidominate igame that much but bayiwine ilila cup lila yabo. I-team entsha in a few years bayifomile yafika ku-Champions League yabashaya yabo. But bona bane-experience better than the team le. But kusho ukuthi lo uCardoso unama players aguda angakwazi uku-attack but it's too defensive lo coach lo yabafethu. If unama players like ane quality efana neMamelodi Sundowns iya all out nama players wakho yabo. Nanokuthi system yakhe ngathi ufuna ukuprove ipoint ufaka uMuthiba lana ukufaka uZwane but angimblame ucoach angadlala ngesystem yakhe le yena ithembayo but mengathola ama results kumele account ngempela yabo. Question ukuthi uCardoso uyindoda right ukuthi alide iMamelodi Sundowns na. Mamelodi Sundowns inama weapon inama powerhouse inama attackers agude but yena ubelievele ku-defending but kuma post match interviews or kuma pre-match interviews uthi yena akusi defensive coach but siyambona ukuthi ubelievela ku-defending. Ma udefender kakhulu lese uzokora 1 ufuna ukudefenda ne i-team izowathola ama-chances, i-team that will keep coming at you and for sure bazowathola ama-opportunities ukuthi bawavalele phakathi amanye ama-chance. So wena as i-coach enama-players so powerful kangaka, the most important thing for you is to attack yabo. Ngeke ushaye 1 goal jike wena so attacker. So una wonke lama weapons una wonke lama creative players una wonke lama players lawa good but still awuyi all out to the games ukuthi ufuna ukwawina wonke lama games futhi kahle. Wakora 1 against i-Pyramids at home but wa defend yabo. Kanti bekumele abalande because i-pedigree eMamelodi Sundowns is better than i-Pyramids but ke bekaba limiter to i-defense yabo. But ke sobona ukuthi uFIFA Club World Cup uzoyenza kanjani noma uzodlala kanjani nanokuthi after iFIFA Club World Cup eMamelodi Sundowns izodecide ngaye kuzoya ngama results wakhona. Let's say uyakwazi because iplan leMamelodi Sundowns heading to iFIFA Club World Cup ukuthi baphume kuma group stage maybe bawina igame e1 badraw ama match ayi2 or bawina igame e1 babe ne draw eyodwa and then ke lokho kungayisiza ngempela iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi advance to the next stage. Maybe ke leyo nto ingawusave umsebenzi wakhe but if maybe akenzi kahle ku-FIFA Club World Cup sobona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izodecide ani. But yeah, he's a good coach in terms of defend but you are a good coach but you can't even use ama-players are creative so ukuthi uthola ama-goals. That's the biggest problem with Coach Cardoso. But he's been pinned against one of the great coaches eMamelodi Sundowns bewadlala attacking football asikhuluma ngama-play ngocoach abafana noBorulani Mokoena but yena uhlulekile ukusebenzisa ama-weapons wakhe or ama-players wakhe ukuthi awine i-Champions League. Kunzima kakhulu bafethu ukufika ku-Champions League final. Asazi ukuthi kuyothatha iminyaka ongaki ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ifike ku-final again. Bekumele this time treat le moment le as a once in a lifetime moment bakwazi ngempela ukwathola ama-results but i-system uMiguel Cardoso ayidlalayo ayikho that attractive ngempela for ibhola leMamelodi Sundowns. Ma-player caliber ama-player eMamelodi Sundowns anawo bafethu yabo. Ungasebenzisa one of the most talented and creative South African football ever Thembazane. I think that leyo nto ya-eda ispark esibi noma i-dot embi ichashaza elibi noma i-stain ku-picture yakhe emhlophe yabo. But ke sobona ukuthi uCardoso uzokwazi ukuziredeema uzokwazi ukuwina i-fan base back nanokuthi nje management as a whole because the season lesiya kuyo is defying for him. Is defining kumele azame ngempela ukwathola ama-results kumnyama kubovu. Ukuwina i-league nje kuphela for yena akukho enough ukuwina i-league kuphela but sobona ukuthi le season lezayo uzoyenza kanjani. Miguel Cardoso. Danko bafethu.